Eddy Merckx, born September 4, 1968 in Reet, Belgium, is a Belgian professional three-cushion billiards player. Merckx was born in 1968, the year cyclist Eddy Merckx won his first Giro d'Italia, and he was named after the cyclist. In daily life, he often adopts his wife's maiden name to avoid confusion with his somewhat more famous namesake. In the year 2006, he beat Nikos Polychronopoulos 3-1 to win the world title in three-cushions billiards. In 2007, he added the European title in Salon de Provence in France, by beating the reigning champion Frédéric Cogran. On October 8, 2011, while playing in the German Bundesliga in Duisburg, Merckx defeated one Con 50-6 in 6 innings, a world record. The inning breakdown was 4-9-26-7-0-4. The previous record for a 50-point game was 9 innings, shared by Torbjorn Blomdahl, Frédéric Cogran, and Marco Zanetti. From August 27 to September 1 he played on the invitation tournament Cuvino Super Prestige, which was held in the city of Lommel, Belgium. The Belgians were looking for the 5th time for their king of three-cushion, and in 2012 it was Merckx by beating world number 1 Frédéric Cogran in the final. Just a week later, on September 9, 2012, he won his second UNB world title in Porto by defeating again Frédéric Cogran in the semis and Choi Sung-won in the finals. Another week later he was playing in Suwon on the three-cushion World Cup and got on the 3rd place together with Dick Jaspers from the Netherlands. He was climbing up to 3rd place of the world ranking due to his latest wins. Three-cushion world champion, single winner 2006, 2012 runner-up 2009. Three-cushion European champion, winner 2007 runner-up 2010, 2011. Three-cushion World Cup, winner 2005, 2009, 2011 runner-up 2008. Crystal Kelly Tournament, 3rd 2009. Three-cushion Invitation Tournament in Zundert/Netherlands, winner 2003 runner-up 2004, 2005. Super Prestige in Belgium, winner 2012 3rd 2011. Belgium Championship, winner 2004, 2006, 2008, 2010, 2011, 2012. References